Cryptocurrency is slowly becoming famous due to many stories about people getting rich overnight because some of the currencies there went straight to the moon even after just a day. Due to this, those who are seeking to get rich enter the fray even though they don't know much about it. These kinds of people treat crypto as their ticket away from poverty, only to lose their money. In this video, you will learn what successful businessmen like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger think about crypto. Please consider liking and subscribing, especially if you like this type of content. We always appreciate any kind of support. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. If you want to know all the juicy details, then make sure to watch until the very end. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger are both well-known rich people. In a 2018 meeting, they share their thoughts regarding cryptocurrencies and what they really view them as. According to Warren Buffett, quote-unquote, "There's nothing being produced in the way of value from the asset. But you also have the problem that it draws in a lot of charlatans and that sort of thing who are trying to create various sorts of exchanges or whatever it may be. You know, it's something where there are people who are of less than stellar character and sees an opportunity to clip people who are trying to get rich because their neighbors are getting rich buying the stuff that neither one of them understand. It will come to a bad ending." To this, Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's closest partner, replied quote-unquote, "Well, I like cryptocurrency a lot less than you do, and so to me, it's just dementia, and I think people who are rational traders go into trading cryptocurrencies. It's just disgusting. It's like somebody else is trading turds, and you decide I can't be left out." Judging by their statements, both of them don't really like the idea of crypto. This is understandable because in crypto, while other people get gains, other people also lose. The more people put money in a cryptocurrency, of course, the higher the exchange. However, once people take their money out, especially the whales, the exchange becomes lower. Those who are late are the ones suffering the brunt of the loss. This is also how most scams work. They invite a lot of people to invest in a coin, and scammers ensure that the coin has the potential to become viral. They block withdrawals and produce excuses to make sure people keep investing. Then, once the coin reaches the peak scammers anticipate, they take their money out, your money included, and cause a rug pull that will push the coin off the cliff from hundreds of dollars to $0 immediately. This is also what Warren Buffett was trying to say. It has become relatively easy for scammers to do these horrible actions to get rich. This is especially so for people who really don't understand what they are doing. It is just like sending money to some stranger hoping to get rich by doing nothing. They think they'll get rich overnight just like famous person A, B, and C, and then decide just as quickly to withdraw almost all of their savings only to put it on a kamikaze plane towards the bottom, which is zero. With crypto, investors who bought at the beginning of the pump got rich, but those who waited to sell their coins got nothing in return, because the price went up so rapidly that their profit was immediately wiped out. Crypto scams take advantage of ignorant people the most, particularly the gullible ones. This had happened for a long time, be it OneCoin, Squid Game, or Luna Yield. You'd think people should have learned by now, but you also must remember how tempting it is for people who are trying to get rich while hoping and trusting that one day they will also get to the moon. Other than what's mentioned, you must also be aware of FTX becoming bankrupt. The cryptocurrency exchange FTX is situated in the Bahamas. The exchange was established in 2019 and was at its pinnacle in July 2021. It had more than 1 million users and ranked third in terms of volume. Note that it's the third largest crypto exchange, Yet it became bankrupt just this year in November, which is pretty recent. Sam Bankman-Fried, a billionaire in the cryptocurrency field, went from being a hero to a criminal, then lost the majority of his wealth while watching his $32 billion business go bankrupt. After deposits left his cryptocurrency exchange, FTX, with a whopping $8 billion deficit, was compelled to declare for bankruptcy. Despite showing prominent exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase as the major shareholders of FTX, nobody was willing to contribute financially even after its owners announced a plan to refund all users to the tune of $6,400 per share. Mr. Bankman-Fried's crypto business, which had previously been compared to financial heavyweights like Warren Buffett and John Pierpont Morgan, came crashing down last month. The harm has extended across the market, bringing down other cryptocurrency businesses and fueling broad skepticism of the technology. Charlie Munger, on the other hand, accurately describes what FOMO is. Basically, it's fear of missing out. With all these crypto trends coming about, plenty of people also choose to board the train toward an unknown future. After all, these people don't know much about what they're really getting into. So, even if the trade includes turds, as how Charlie put it, people will choose to get involved. When it comes to Bitcoin, Warren Buffett also shared his honest thoughts, quote unquote. "If you told me you owned all of the Bitcoin in the world and you offered it to me for $25, I wouldn't take it because what would I do with it?" Then he added, "It isn't going to do anything." To Warren, Bitcoin is an unproductive asset because if no one invests more money in the coin, then it won't grow. This is vastly different from productive assets like rental income, stocks, and farms. If the majority of the whales take their money out from Bitcoin, the value will plummet. This is probably why Buffett labeled the coin as worthless despite the raging price bull run over the past few years. With this in mind, if a whale chooses to exit the coin, they'll choose to hype people up to avoid crashing the price of the coin. Basically, they're making these people become their exit liquidity. The more people they hype up, the more liquid the coin will be. Thus, they can safely take their cash out while the others keep buying. This is something you don't want to be because if a whale is exiting, then there might be a pretty good reason why, and you might not like it. Knowing these details, it is a must for you to thoroughly consider if crypto is really for you. If you do still think it is the way to go, do not forget to research it well. Avoid going into the fray without knowing a thing, just like every other investment. Hopefully this video helped you learn more about what's going on in the crypto world. Please like and subscribe to see more of our content. Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. If you liked our content, then please check out our other videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.